Next one from Cody. Looking for info on the most efficient way to ship microgreens. I have a farm in San Antonio, Texas, and a restaurant in Dallas. Is one in our produce. Have you ever done this before? Which carrier gave the best rates? Picture below. Right on. As a little picture. I don't know if I can just share that with you guys. Cool, a little picture of the farm. Yeah, I've done that. And it's pretty easy to do. You just use a trucking company. Whether the trucking companies you'd use in Texas are the same ones I'd use up here, have no idea. But I used to ship product to northern BC from Kelowna, and even Microgreens and Sprouts, called Clark Freightways, and it's pretty reasonable. It didn't really affect the bottom line to the point where it was cost prohibitive. However, I was always shipping orders that were $300 to $500 a piece, so it was worth it, because I also had to go and drop it off at their warehouse. You can pay more and have them pick it up too, but I would say, yeah, it's doable. San Antonio to Dallas isn't that far, so yeah, you can do that. But just make sure that you call some trucking companies and get a quote. Say what they'll want to know is what's the weight and size dimensions of the package. That's what they'll want to know, and then they'll want to know what temperature does it need to be kept at, and then they'll give you a quote. So you can figure that out pretty easy. You know, how far is it going? So there's lots of trucking companies out there that do this. It's nothing new. So yeah, I think it works. Again, if I had to go and drop product off at a shipping warehouse, because it's a little bit more complicated than just going to drop off at the back door of a restaurant. You know, if it's a customer you have all the time and you're doing that delivery, you're in and out of there in like minutes. Trucking company, you got to go there. You got to talk to somebody. You got to fill out a quick little waiver or bill of lading, it's called, and you know, and then drop the package off and you're done. You know, you can get it down quick eventually the more you do it, but it does take more than a normal delivery. So you just got to make sure that it's worth your time and that the shipping costs aren't eating away at your bottom line, and I'd say you're all good.